Start trading now. Oh yeah, I need to speak my thoughts out loud. Cool. Here are the rules. Direction or consolidation, no guessing. First 5 minutes, observe, don't trade. Just observe for the first few minutes, so we'll observe until like 40. 3 trade max, 2 wins and we're done, 2 losses and we're done, that's fine. I'm not planning to take 3 and then leave, I'm just planning to take as many opportunities as I have. If that is 1, that's fine, if that is 0, that's also fine. Daily loss limit, close, yep, cool. Don't force any trades, no setup, just wait. We'll just wait. It's fine to not put a single trade in because we're not minus. Don't rush the entry or exit. Don't act on impulse or FOMO. Stick to the ATR, always check it, every candle. Don't move the targets, we'll do that, yep. Every time we lose a trade, I'll stand up for a minute and just walk around a bit. Just to get a mental reset. What's next? That's all. Okay, those are all the things that I need to be focusing on. And a daily loss limit set to 350. 1 NQ we're trading. 2 wins and stop, 2 losses and stop, we said that. Every 3 minutes to have this. Cool. That's gonna be our bell sound. Every 3 minutes, every time that happens, we're gonna just ask myself these questions. Questions are, am I bored right now? So, meaning I'm not gonna trade. What is the market doing right now? AKA, is it clear direction, clear consolidation? I don't know. And if it's I don't know, I'm taking my hands off the keyboard. And is my setup actually here, or am I chasing something? It's me basically just looking at the chart and seeing if there's an actual opportunity to enter or not. Cool. Now we wait. ATR is all over the place, so we'll just wait. We have no reason to trade right now. No reason to rush this. Wait until ATR stabilizes, wait until we reach some price action that's actually happening. Whether it be consolidation or direction, and we move from there. My hands are completely off the keyboard and mouse and I'm just waiting. I'm more watching ATR than I'm watching what price is doing right now. I'll be watching it between both of them. ATR is a bit higher than usual right now. Just breathing for a moment. Not doing anything. Don't need to do anything. Am I bored right now? No, I'm still just watching. Market is currently consolidating. And setups, there are no setups right now. So probably some sells around here, possibly. With a 24 tick bracket. Just aiming for this little drop over here. Or waiting for it to reach down over here and buying. And hoping for a little pulse upwards. We are currently on 24 ticks. I don't mind going for a... Oh, that's a big candle, so I'm gonna just hold off of doing that. If I see momentum slow down here, I might put a buy in. But that is one big candle, so I don't want to be trading after that. Doesn't look like it wants to go back up either, so I'm just gonna hold off. I'll let it do its thing. This isn't price action that I know how to trade, so I'm just holding off of it. I'm trying out this new format of talking to myself on the mic so that I can hold myself accountable for actually clicking the buttons and not all of my words just being in my head. So that anything I say aloud is actually what I'm thinking and articulating, rather than everything being in my head and, I don't know, just trusting my intuition. I'd rather everything be spoken out loud first and then acted upon. Still see no clear price action, so I'm not going to trade. Just moving the chart. Hands still off the keyboard. My arms are literally crossed as we speak. Could have some moves down here, but I don't like the pulse that the candle just did, so I'm gonna wait for it to clear that up before we do anything. Because we do have two big candles here back to back, and I don't see any clear direction or consolidation or anything like that, so just holding off. No reason to trade. There is no clear price action. There is no setup, no clear price action, and yeah, I am quite bored right now, so my hands are off the keyboard, just so I don't click a button for fun. Okay, I'm seeing clear direction upwards now. It looks like we're breaking out. That's one really big candle though, so I'm going to just wait for a few candles after this one in order to trade. No longer looks like direction right now. Like it's price action is still not clear, so that's why I'm holding off trading this right now. I don't know whether it will go down or bounce back up and continue in the direction that the big candle just did. But it looks like it doesn't want to continue doing that, but the way the last three candles went. I don't know. Could just be a small pullback in a higher time frame. Yeah, I'm seeing some upwards momentum here. Possibly. Could go back into consolidation in this small area that we've been in the past 5 candles. Could just go up, which is... I don't know. It looks like it wants to break out the consolidation, yeah. If I see a clear pullback in after a full green candle here upwards, I see a clear pullback, I will enter for a trade with the same bracket size that we're on right now, 24. Hand is hovering over buy right now. Nope, that's too far of a pullback, I'm not going to enter. Could be consolidation though. I'll enter here. This is a bad trade. Entry was late, hesitated. Yeah, lost trade. That's fine though. If the entry wasn't a hesitant trade and I entered a little bit earlier when I said I would pull back, that would have been a nice little peak upwards. But ATR is lower as well. I didn't pay attention to that. ATR dropped in the last candle that I traded on to 9 when the candles before were 18, 12. So it's a mistake on my part. But now we just wait. Looks like it's consolidating right now, so I'm not going to touch it. ATR is just under 10, so my brackets are a tiny bit too big, say. Price action is not really giving much right now. It's just kind of randomly bouncing in this zone. I don't see any clear consolidation either. Just seeing randomness in a small zone. I change my brackets. Actually, my brackets are fine. On my board, or do I see a clear setup? I see some consolidation setups if it reaches around this height or this depth. Other than that, I don't see anything. So, let's see if it pulls back around here or if it continues to want to push. No, that's a continuation. I'll give it that. It's gonna leave as is. I'd have a directional trade here. on the next pullback. Oh, no longer looking like a directional trade. Yeah. Stray away from that. These candles are too big to be trading consolidation around because my stop could get instantly wiped and then my take would be hypothetically taken, so I'm sending them out as well. Seeing heavy downward momentum now. It's a big sell-off right here. I don't see anything right now. ATR is a bit higher than usual. Look at the last 4 candles. Price action is not something that I would trade, so still holding off. Do I see a setup? No. My board, yes. ATR is a little bit higher. 26 tick brackets, I would say. Possibly even 27. Let's just say keep it at 25 right now. And holding off and yawning. Tired. Consolidation, possibly. Consolidation from here. If I see a little bit of green, I don't mind going for a buy here. But this is one very big candle, so I don't think I will go with that trade idea. My hand is hovering over buy for now. I don't know if it wants to consult. Yeah, okay. So I'm not gonna take that trade. I was about to take a buy trade there. My NinjaTrader is lagging. The time remaining, every time it goes to a new candle, it's like 10 seconds left. Which is not good. Like, how do I fix that? It's like if I'm trading a 20-second, I'm actually only trading 10-second candles. Or, I don't know, it's just like, it's not stable. It says like 0 for 10 seconds and then suddenly I'm on the next candle and there's only 10 seconds left. Like, what does that mean? Could be directional here, downwards. Impossible moves down. Yeah, directional down. That was a little bit of a late entry, but oh wow, that is insane. I got like edged. My stop literally just got nearly tapped. My tick nearly got tapped. And my stop wasn't tapped. And I got filled badly. I don't understand. This 10-second thing is throwing me off. The 10-second delay difference. That's sad. This was a perfect trade as well. Sure, my ATR was a little bit lower than it should have. It should have been 26 tick brackets, which would have actually won me the trade. If I, let's see. I put text and marker. Entry was at 21. The stop is at 25,222.25. Right now my stop is 24 ticks. If I put it at 26 ticks, it would have been 2 ticks higher, which is 222.75, and the highest of this candle was 0.75. I would have been like pretty much ticked to the T before being. Oh well, that's sad. Can't complain though. Happens. It's okay. This was an okay trade. The first trade was a. I don't remember what happened this trade. I can't remember for the life of me. I think it was a bad fill. I mean, to be fair, my take was like around here, so I wouldn't have been taking profit either. Even if like the fill was a little better. I don't know, with these bad fills, it's actually kind of cringing me out. Like, I don't know how to counteract it or fix it. So anyways, that's the end of the trades today. Going to call it there. I'm gonna show the PNL now shortly, wherever it is. Where the hell is it? Okay. So yeah. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we took 2 trades today on 1 NQ, 255 loss gross. Happens. Didn't hit daily loss limit, stopped at 2 losses. Unfortunate fills. Definitely an unfortunate fill for the second one. The first one I can take the blame for 100%. But yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I do have an exam on Monday, so I need to revise for that, but yeah.